girl Bella. Hey babes, welcome to my vlog. I thought I would just jump on here real quick and do a quick unboxing. I got a couple of things in PR, not, too much like some, YouTubers, but, I get my fair share of goodies every now and then. So thought I would jump on real quick and just open them with you. All right, here's the first box. Cutting it open. I don't know who it's from. So we're just going to discover together. All right, so it's from a marketing company. All right. Lots of tissue paper here. Oh, I got more Kjaer Weiss. I got more Kjaer Weiss. I love it. All right, so this one is called Happy. So this is Happy. And Kjaer Weiss is a clean makeup brand. So this is the Recharge. And this is like a refillable. This is a refillable case. And I just used the other one that I got from Kjaer Weiss. Where was it? I'm so excited. This is my second one from the brand. What did I do with the first one? Oh, here it is. I'm like, where's the first one? So here's the first one that I got from them, which is actually what I have on today. How serendipitous. So here's my second one. See? And this color is called Happy. So let's see what Happy looks like. Oh. Oh. She's pretty. Look at that. Babes, isn't that beautiful? Oh, we must try this right now. First, let's put it into the case. Dream, stop trying to play with the tissue. I see you. So you take the plastic off of it. And then you can just place it right in the case. There we go. Oh, I'm so excited. It really is just the little things that get me so excited. I love what I do. Just getting it right brush. I love what I do, and I love sharing what I do with all of my babes, you guys. So I'm gonna try to grab some with my brush. I'm gonna put some on right now. Let's go. Happy. Oh, I'm happy with Happy. Look at that. Let's blend her in. Oh, yeah. We like her. We like her. And I love this formula because I don't know if you can see it, but it has a little bit of radiance to it. So even when, you're not really wearing a whole lot of makeup, blushes like this really kind of give you a nice pulled together professional look without going too far over the top. So now I have two wonderful new cream blushes from Kjaer Weiss. Thank you. Thank you so much for that. Woo, woo, woo. All right, let's see. Let's do this one next. And this one is from Purity Cosmetics. Purity Cosmetics. Open her up. Oh, wow. Okay. So you got a couple of things from Purity Cosmetics. We got the Multivitamin Plus Antioxidants Potent PM Serum. Vitamin C. It has 10% niacinamide, 10% vitamin E, 1% CoQ10, 1% retinol. So, got to use this at night for the retinol. And this is the bottle. This is what it looks like. Let's pull her in a little closer. There we go. Okay. Hang on, we got a couple more things in here. We got the Fruit Pigmented Mascara. Fruit Pigmented Mascara. Ultra Lengthening with Black Tea. Okay. So this is the packaging. Very cute. And then here is the mascara. I'm not going to open it just yet because I still have some mascara that I need to finish before I grab this. But, oh, I like the tube. Very nice. And I love the packaging. Black Tea is the name of the color. Thank you. And then, let's see. Lastly, we have, oh, I guess the top came off of it. All right, so the top, unfortunately, did not survive, but this is the Coffee Bean Caffeine Eye Cream, which brightens and depuffs. It is natural and vegan. So again, let's look at the tube. There we go. Right. Nice. So again, I will let you know in a future Get Ready With Me skincare how that goes. First impressions and all. Okay. Now let's get to this bigger box. I'm so excited because this is a heavy box. So it feels like there's quite a few things in here. And I don't know where this is from, but I'm excited. All right, so these, let's see what this is. Oh, you know what this is? This is from Forever Mood. So here is a mason jar for Forever Mood. I think I'm going to put some brushes in here. So this will be like a brush jar. Put it over here on the side. So that's that. And I'm sad because this is my last order that I placed for Forever Mood. I was in the Forvr Candle Club. Here we go. And so these are the last candles that I am have ordered from Forever Mood. And the reason why is because a lot of the candles that I was getting, they were starting to react to my my migraines. They were starting to trigger my migraines. So they were a little too sweet, a little too sweetly scented. And they were all starting to smell the same to me. So I was like, yeah, it might be time. It might be time to give this a rest for a while. So this is my last ones. So I have Mojito Mo Problems. I'm sure this is going to smell like a mojito. Lime. Yep, lime infused. Citrusy. So far, it smells pretty good. I probably will put this in the bathroom. This will be a nice bathroom scent, I think. Again, I guess this is what they put the candles in, these boxes now. Candle Club boxes. And this one is Soap Opera. So this is probably soapy, probably good for the bathroom as well. Oh yeah, this smells like a fresh laundry. Has that kind of fresh linen smell. I could probably put this in the laundry room. I keep candles all over. Again, this is good for the bathrooms, of course. The bonus bedroom. This might be good for the bonus bedroom too. Really nice. Smells amazing. Smells very soapy. Very much like clean laundry. Like I said, fresh linen. Very nice smell. All right, so that was from Forvr Mood. I'm super excited. Again, thank you to Kjaer Weiss for the cream blush in the shade Happy. I thank you so much for that. And for Pure Cosmetics for all 3 of my gifts from you. Thank you so much. I will definitely share my thoughts in a future Get Ready With Me skincare slash makeup, but I wanted to throw on, since I had on the other Kjaer Weiss, I wanted to throw on Happy on top of it, and they both play nicely together. Really nice. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, babes. And until next time, you have been Bellified. Take care, and I'll see you back here soon.